Hey guys, in this video I'm going to solve your doubts on the question that is how to get redeem code in Monopoly Go. So, as of now, Monopoly Go does not regularly offer redeemable codes through traditional methods like other games. However, there are few potential ways you can keep an eye out for redeem codes or rewards in the future. The first way to do this is follow social media channels for Monopoly Go. Second way to do this is in-game events, because sometimes during in-game events or promotions, Monopoly Go may provide redeem codes to player as a part of milestone rewards or achievement. You can also subscribe to official Monopoly Go newsletters or sign up with your email, because developers often send out promotions or codes to players who are part of their email list. You can also join Monopoly Go player communities on Reddit, Discord or Facebook, because players often share information on rewards and any upcoming or existing redeem codes. Make sure to regularly check the app for updates. Developers could post news about codes, bonuses, or upcoming promotions that involve codes. Until then, actively engage in the game's events and promotions will be the best way to score in-game rewards. So the simple answer to your question is Monopoly Go does not offer redeem codes right now. Hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.